come out and them shots fly. Say your last words, homie, and it's bye-bye. You should've been playing with me.
They say
everybody wanna play that tough guy.
Everybody,
till them things come out and them shots fly. Say your last words, homie, and it's bye-bye. You should've been playing with me.
Is that real, man? Word to Pop, K-Dot, I'm here. Cheer. Look, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. The very word said can resurrect Pop straight from the dead. And it takes a young nigga like me to push the limit, no gimmick. This is real, homie. I wake out of my sleep, sweat dripping off my facial cheek. I swear to God, death calling for me. That's why I carry a heat, roaming these streets till they come and get me. Cause 90% of them is coming with me. C4 your car doors and watch your shit blow in a jiffy. Quick, boom, explode when I empty. I'm on the edge, so please don't tempt me to jump. I walk around with a pump just to scatter you punks' heads. Then go and get some head by that woman you want. She does what I says what I does. Crazy back then, yeah, that's what I was. But now I'm psycho, mental nigga, holding a grudge. I put a hole in your mug and let the blood leak out until it fill up a tub. Then put your son in it. This is no image, this is ether, cocaine, reefer, alcohol mixed with it. They tried to label your boy as a menace, put me in some records along with Guinness. I just started, I ain't finished. Shots to your head until all you motherfuckers diminish.
I hope y'all ready to ride, cause it's do or die. If not, stay inside. I hope you're ready. If not, be quiet, cause when shots fly, somebody will cry. I hope you're ready. I hope y'all ready to ride, cause it's do or die. If not, stay inside. I hope you're ready. If not, be quiet, cause when shots fly, somebody will cry. I hope you're ready.
Yeah, is that real, man? That's why I got Pop in me. I feel the spirit, man. K-Dot, Hub City's Threat Mind of the Year. I'm here. It's serious. Word to Pop. Cheer. Take that, you faggot ass niggas, huh?